Welcome to another easy hair braid tutorial, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did these beautiful braids that I wore to the Tennessee Renaissance Festival. It's super easy and fairly quick to do. They're also considered Viking braids. Thank you for being here on my channel, and please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Let's get started. This is a tincture oil that my mom makes me for hair. Love it, it just makes my hair smell so good. It's so great for when my ends just get kind of frizzy and I need to lay them down a little bit. Much better. Alright, you're going to start by parting your hair into two sections in the front, all the way down behind your ear on both sides. And then I like to use just a ponytail holder or something to pull the hair back that you're not going to be braiding in the front. And you're just going to braid down two sections in the front of your face. I like to not do the braids too tight because after I secure them with the elastic, I like to pull them apart a little bit just to make the braid a little looser looking, a little more relaxed and fuller. Just a chunkier sort of braid. Just pulling them up a little bit and giving them a little bit more texture and thickness. The next thing you're going to do is part two more sections behind those braids, and you're just going to grab a little elastic and make a tiny ponytail behind each braid. You're going to do the same thing on both sides. Make sure that they're nice and tight. This is not the finished look. One last step, I'm going to crisscross these over. Make sure it's tight. Find a little loopy gap here in the braid. So you're basically just pulling apart the braid just enough so you can fit that tiny ponytail inside the braid. So you just pull it apart, find a little hole, and push that little ponytail through. Make sure the braid is really nice and tight and kind of secure to your head. And that's it. This is the final look. Super fun, super easy, very Renaissance-y.